Okay, so now that you've solved the orange cross, or whatever cross you're working on, but for my demonstration we're going to do the orange cross, you want to fill in these 4 corners. Now, we want to find one of the corners, so this is an orange, green corner piece. So that should go in between the green and white centerpiece. So there it is. Then if it's facing you, you want to turn the bottom to the left, move the right down, turn the bottom to the right, and move the right up. Now a different case is when the orange piece, for my example, is on the bottom, facing the ground. We'll move the right down, move the bottom to the left twice, move the right up, move the bottom to the right, move the right down, move the bottom to the left, and move the right up. Now if it's facing the right, then what you want to do is move the right down, move the bottom to the left, move the right up, and there you go.